Generally when you film videos, you want to be able for people to actually search what you're going to explain. Whoever came up with the name Abubaca, who's gonna search that? If you just got into riding, you're never gonna know how to spell Abubaca, let alone know what it actually is. So what the Abubaca is, it's going onto the coping with your back wheel, stalling it, jumping backwards. It's not really an advanced trick, but I'd recommend you are comfortable doing fakies, because sometimes when you do these Abubacas, especially on bigger ramps, you're going to go backwards pretty fast. The trick to it is not to go too fast. If you're able to like just ride onto the top of the ramp, that's the speed you need, because you want to stay close to the coping. I would say the key to the whole trick is to keep your eyes on the coping. When you go up the ramp, you want to go pretty much dead straight. The straighter you go, the easier the trick's going to get. And you're going to keep your eye on the coping, and as soon as your front wheel hits the coping, you're gonna have to hop a little bit, so you're gonna jump into the Abubaca. It sounds a lot more complicated than it is, but it's just like a really basic bunny hop into the trick. You keep your eyes on the coping and you put your back wheel where you're looking. Test your brakes before you go do this trick, because you're gonna put a lot of force on the back wheel, so you actually want your brakes to at least stop your wheel and just hold you there. Make sure when you lean back, your weight is towards the quarter pipe. When you don't lean back enough in this trick, your front wheel is going to drop and you just land on top of the deck. Unless you do it on the spine and there's nothing on the other side. Try to lean back, because that's going to keep your front wheel up in the air. The more you lean forward, the more your front wheel is going to drop, and that's going to be harder to jump back. At a certain moment, you'll feel you're hitting a balance point. That's basically your forward momentum and your weight leaning back that kind of counterbalances each other. So you're gonna hit a balance point. As soon as you hit that balance point, you want to hop back. And because your weight is going back, you're gonna hop backwards. Besides leaning forward too much, one of the other common mistakes is not jumping back far enough. Especially when you jump backwards, you want your front wheel to clear the coping on your way back. One of the most common mistakes is to actually hang your front wheel up short of the coping, so you're not going to be able to jump all the way back. If you're not really sure you're going to pull the trick, it's a really easy one to just step out. You can either just step off your bike or let go of your bike completely and walk out of it. When you hop backwards, lean back, hop backwards, let go of those brakes and pull the fakie. When you actually land the roll back, when you actually land the fakie, that's how you do an Abubaca. So I'm actually filming a different how-to video at the moment, but for the Abubaca, you can also try it on a bank first, so it makes it less scary. Just practice the Abubaca motion on a bank, hop back, fakie, you get the deal. As with last week's video, if you guys be so kind that when you try the trick and you post stuff to Instagram stories, please tag me in your Instagram stories so I can see you guys actually making progress. As with every how-to video I do, I would like for you guys to comment down below whatever trick you guys want to learn next. I'll add it to the list, and then hopefully I can get around to making a how-to video. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.